Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you are doing great because we are working very hard for you all. Myself, Shiba Khan, as your computer teacher, welcome you again here today. I will teach class 6th, chapter number 1st, that is computer languages. Before starting the class, I have a notice for you all. It is informed you that stationery shops are open. You can purchase your books and copies from the shop and complete your work on fair copy. Now move into the lesson. In my previous class, I will teach about the computer languages and to the 4 other parts: low level language, middle level languages, high level languages and 4th generation language. Today I will describe advantages or disadvantages of computer languages. Okay? Now let's start our study. Firstly, low level language. It is also called machine language. Its advantages, since no translation is required to execute much faster. It can directly communicate with hardware device and there is no need of any compiler or interpreter to translate the source to machine code. This cuts down the compilation and interpretation time. Okay. Disadvantages of low level language. It is machine dependent language. It is different to different CPUs. Programs made no one CPU can't be executed on another. It is difficult to develop and debug and maintain. Low level programs are more error prone. The programmer must have additional knowledge for the computer architecture for that particular machine for programming in a low level languages. Okay. Second is middle level languages. It is also called assembly language. Okay. Advantages of middle level language. Programs written in machine language are replaceable by mnemonics which are easier to remember. Faster execution, efficient programming. Debugging is also easier in this language than in machine language. Programming is relatively easier due to use of mnemonics and saves lot of time and effort. Okay. Disadvantages of middle level language. Program written in such languages cannot be executed on a small sized computer. The syntax is too difficult to remember. It takes a lot of time to code or write the program as it more complex in nature. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent. A program written for one computer might not run in other computers with different hardware configurations. Okay. Third is high level languages. It is also called 3rd generation languages. Advantages of high level language. They are user friendly. They are similar to English and use the English vocabulary and well known symbols. They are easy to learn, understand and debug. They are problem oriented rather than machine based. Disadvantages of high level languages. A high level language has to be translated into machine language by a translator, which takes time. The object code generated by a translator might be inefficient compared to an equivalent assembly level languages program. Okay. And last one is 4th generation language. Advantages of 4GL. They are much easier to use than other high level languages. The programming efforts is greatly reduced as 4GLs are very close to the English language. Even non-programs can use them easily. Disadvantages of GL: programs developed in 4GLs are executed at a slower speed by the CPU. Programs developed in these programming languages need more space in the memory of the computer system. Okay? It is some question for you. Learn about this question and write about these questions. Okay? With this, I end my class today. I hope you have understood in this lesson very well. Please students, utilize your time. If not now, then when. Don't be careless. I say goodbye. Take care all of you.